Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be giving this fireplace a desperately needed makeover, and as you can see it's looking a little crazy right now because I previously used some metallic paint. I thought it was going to look nice and it ended up just looking a complete mess, so hopefully we can fix that today. Now let me stop rambling and let's get right into the makeover.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're all...
I used Rust-Oleum chalk paint for this project because I had about half a can left over from a previous project and I was on a budget. I didn't want to spend any money where it was not needed. The brush that I used was also from the same previous project. It actually came in a set of 3, and I will be linking the paint and brush set in my description. And for those of you worried if it's safe to use the chalk paint on a fireplace, don't worry, I actually did Google it because I had the same concern, and this is what I found. Though we have never used this fireplace and I don't intend on ever doing so. We live in a pretty warm state, so it's hot pretty much 90% of the year, and the other 10 never dips below 30 degrees.
Some trouble when he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me.
So I decided to paint over the gold detailing the fireplace had. To me it looked very dated, very 90s. And to clean it I used my husband's shop bag, and it's very not dirty, it's just like filled with mud because he works in construction. It's not dust or anything, it's mostly like mud.
I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love.
And for the inside of the fireplace I used this spray just to be safe.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
This right here was the dumbest mistake of the day. I thought it was going to be so much more convenient to just spray paint it instead of using a brush. What I didn't think about was how toxic it was going to be. The fumes were fuming and I was literally dying. This was so toxic. I don't recommend this at all. So please be safe and wear a mask if you ever do attempt this. And this is how the inside of the fireplace turned out. I feel like it looks a million times better. I had the bright idea of covering the outside of the fireplace with paper towels to prevent any of the black paint from getting on the outside of the fireplace. Unfortunately, it still got on and I did have to touch it up. I want to ask you all a big giant favor. If you guys could give this video a thumbs up, it helps me out so much. And if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
missing summer.